Is that a 2024 Trax? It looks like a Chevy Trax. It's the 1RS package. I've been waiting to see this.
Oh my
You
God!
gotta look at this. This is the Trax. It's got the 1.2 turbo, fuel economy up to 30 miles to the gallon as the average. This has got parking assist and lane change alert. I've never seen so many good contents in an entry-level car. It's got forward collision alert, lane departure, heated steering wheel. I can't believe it. I gotta get in this car. I gotta see this. Oh, so this is the inside of the Trax 1RS package. I can't believe how nice this is. Look at the dashboard. Look at the appointments and the red striping. This is beautiful. Finally, a place to put my phone. Sits right there nice and easy. But I got the wireless CarPlay. Look at this, Android Auto. I don't even have to do anything, and I can pull my maps up. I can access all my phone and my texts. This is fantastic. What a beautiful radio setup. There's those heated seats. Boy, I know it's getting cold out, but I love my heated seats. My climate control's right there. I got a lane departure warning. I start drifting out of my lane. This car's gonna bring me back into my lane. Whoa, whoa, the steering wheel, it's hot. It's so hot, it's a heated steering wheel. I can't believe it. I can't believe this is unbelievably good stuff. What a high content level in this vehicle. Forward collision alert. This will keep me safe out on the road. I bet my insurance gives me a break for having all these great features. The steering column. Look, it goes up and down, in and out, so everybody can come through. Tall people can sit back farther, shorter people can sit right on top of it. That's fantastic. Intelligent headbeams. I've heard of this. Intelligent headbeams is going to flip my bright lights on and off automatically as it senses oncoming traffic. So when there's no lights around, it flips the brights on for me. I don't have to do anything. When a car's coming at me, it dims it back down. What a cool feature. I really like this. Turn signal indicators in the mirror, blind spot indicators. People can see what I'm up to. That way I don't run anybody off the road when I'm driving down. This little guy right here is gonna glow orange so I know someone's in my blind spot. Wow, this is really a well-equipped vehicle. Flat level on the steering wheel. This makes it so much easier to get in and out. Just the small little things they thought of are so smart. I really like this car. Center console, storage area here, cup holders and storage in the drawer, even a spot for a small umbrella. They thought of everything in this car. I can't believe it. And all for a price tag of under $23,500. That is unbelievable. Well, I'm really excited to drive this car. I think I'm gonna take it for a ride. Let me put my seatbelt on for safety. My mirrors are adjusted properly. I think I'm ready to go. We're just gonna go ahead and give it a little rip. Make sure no one's around. Okay, we're cruising now. Even rides over a curb like no problem. And here we go, we're digging this now. Oh, my steering wheel. I just can't believe how warm my fingers feel, how great my hands are on this thing. Acceleration. Whoa, whoa! We're just getting out in traffic, no problem here. I can't even believe this acceleration. I really like this car. Once again, Chevrolet's really done a great job styling a new vehicle for us. Here we go. Forward collision alert, lane departure warning, all systems a go, letting me know I'm safe on the road. I'm sure my insurance company's gonna be happy to hear that I'm driving safe. All these nice things. It's so easy to park. Look at this turning radius. Wow, easy to park and maneuver. I really like it. So now I'm sitting here and I'm checking this out. Not only do I have Bluetooth for my cell phone, it's hands-free. I can make and take those phone calls. Nothing safer than that. And I know nowadays you gotta be safe on the road. On this radio, not only do I have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, so I can do my mapping, I can look at my phone, I can do voice to text, I can schedule meetings on my calendar. There's enough things I can do there. Very cool stuff. That's exciting. Wi-Fi. You can hotspot your vehicle. What that means is with a data connection, I can actually get on my laptop while I'm in the vehicle, and I've got about a 20-foot halo. So if I go camping or I'm somewhere where I want to be able to get out of the car to tailgate and still be able to get on a laptop or a computer or even stream something to a TV, I can do it all right there through Wi-Fi in the OnStar system. OnStar. You know what's very cool about this car? 3 years free of the OnStar Remote Link app. I'm able to lock, unlock, and remote start my car from my phone, and it's free for 3 years. I can locate the vehicle, I can earmark waypoints, so when my kids leave for school, I know they got there. All sorts of very cool stuff that I can do there. Radio-wise, I got the AM, I got the FM, I got the XM, but even more than that, I got my phone, I got my Bluetooth. I can pull all my jams right out of my phone and play it right into the radio system. That's one feature I really like. This home button takes me back. Now I can get into my settings where I can program this vehicle. When I get out of it, do I want this car to lock automatically? Do I want my lights to stay on for 30 seconds, a minute or two? When I hit the unlock button, do I want to unlock all the doors on the first press? Lots of things I can do here. I got the Android Auto, the Apple CarPlay, my phone, it's all paired up. I can pair up to 5 phones so my other family members can enjoy the same radio settings as me. Down here, it tells me not only my Bluetooth, but I got a strong signal, and I got about half my life there, and it's 67 degrees. 67 degrees in November in Michigan. Who would think that? And it's 3:01. I gotta go. All right, so this 1RS Trax here, this 24 Trax, you got daytime running lamps so people can see you coming down the road for your safety. We got a fold-away breaker mirror, so if I bump something, I'm not tearing my mirror up. Inside the rear door, child security door locks, keep my babies from bailing out on me as we're going down the road. I got a big old back trunk storage area. This thing opens up, plenty of room in here. These seats all flip and fold down and lay nice and flat. The headrests kick over, so no one's riding in the back. It's not blocking my blind spot. But I take this down, look at all the room, and I still got seating for 3 in the vehicle, or I can go one more step. And now here I am, seating for 2 and all our gear. So lots of room in there. Storage underneath the rear deck down in here. Look at that. Extra storage around that spare tire. By the way, this car comes with roadside assistance for 5 years or up to 60,000 miles. So you've got roadside assistance. If you got a problem, they come help you out free of charge. Here we go. And that is the back side of a Chevy Trax. Backup camera here shows you what's going on. RS badging, letting you know how nice of a car you got. You got credit issues, you got credit problems, you got a repo, you got a below 700 credit score, you need help, you need the queen. That's right, the queen of car loans. Regina Woodard is the queen of car loans, and she's at Joe Longhammer Chevrolet, and she can help you get into some new wheels. You can't get to work without a car, you can't go to school without your car, you can't take care of your family without a car. Come see the queen, take care of your business, take care of your family, and keep on rolling.